Most people are going to completely miss this. They'll see it, they'll talk about it, but 99% of people will do nothing about it. Right now, a brand new gold rush is happening in the world and online. It's not crypto, it's not drop shipping, it's not shiny side hustles. I'm talking about a system that lets somebody build a multi-million-dollar recurring revenue that actually is automated, that actually can run with one person by themselves using Skool, YouTube, and AI. And 99% of people have zero idea that it's actually happening. And today, I'm gonna show you why this is one of the biggest opportunities coming over the next decade and why most people are gonna miss out on it. Here's the truth. Most people are playing a game online that's dead and gone. It's the old way. It's not what's happening anymore. They're chasing views, they're chasing clients, they're chasing algorithms, but they're not building systems. They're using YouTube like a stage instead of using it like a machine. And they're selling their time instead of creating leverage. And they're literally burning out trying to scale their effort instead of trying to scale with automation. That old game was hustle. The new game is compounding leverage. And if you're not building a machine that is running for you while you sleep or while you're doing other things, whatever it is that you want to do, then you're already behind. So let's dive into the data and find out what's really going on here. Because right now there are three waves that are colliding together and there's massive opportunity if you can get a grip on it. Wave number one is YouTube. You're probably watching me there right now. There's over 2.7 billion active monthly users at the time of me creating this. Over 500 hours of content being uploaded every single minute. But the thing is, only a tiny fraction of those users are actually funneling that attention to grow a real business. Only 1 in 3 million people on this planet actually know how to build an automated business online. And here's the crazy thing. YouTube isn't just some social media platform anymore. It has literally become now the internet TV. It's the new TV. It's what people are watching all the time. Wave number two is Skool. And I'm not talking about school like college. I'm talking about Skool. Less than 10,000 people on that community that are running paid communities. And the ones that are running paid communities at the time of me creating this are averaging anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000 per month in recurring revenue. They're not using ads and they're getting a majority or at least a third of their traffic from the Skool platform itself. And wave number three is AI. This is your new assistant. And here's the thing, AI isn't replacing creators. It's replacing the teams that creators used to need to be able to build a profitable business. No longer do you need writers and editors and researchers and collaborators and all these organizations. You don't need any of that stuff. Now, a single person, one person can do it all faster, better, cheaper. It's insane. There are literally businesses doing over 300,000 plus per month with one person. The owner of AI, the founder, Sam Altman, he said that they used to have an inside bet on who the first one-person billion-dollar business is going to be. Now they're talking about who's going to be the first billion-dollar business with no people. That's a whole nother video in and of itself with the new agent thing that they're doing. But just think about what is going on out there and how you have this opportunity in front of you right now. So these three waves that are colliding, YouTube, Skool, and AI, what those things do when they crash into each other is they create compounding leverage for you, the creator. And when you learn how to stack those things together and use them, you'll create what we're calling the MAKEONCE freedom machine. So how does this freedom machine work? Well, one, you use YouTube. This is where you get attraction. This is where you bring in new members. You create videos like I'm creating right now, and people discover your community. Then you use AI. That's the second layer of this stack. And this is where you create communication, where you create content, where you create all the things that you need to build the system smoothly, automation, everything. That all happens with AI. It does 80% of the hard work. And then the third thing is your Skool community. And this is where we take that attention from YouTube or from the outside world out there in social media, and we funnel that into the Skool platform where you built a very profitable monthly recurring machine with community. And as wild as that sounds, that's it. 3 simple gears: traffic, leverage, and recurring. And it's not theory, it's math. We've done this. We've created several 100,000 a month through Skool using those 3 levers. If you just get a small fraction of the population on this earth, 1,000 people giving you $3 a day, that's over $1 million a year recurring. And those types of things are actually happening. It's not a fantasy. We're actually building that inside of MAKEONCE right now. And I'll tell you what, our goal is to help 1,000 people get to 1 million a year recurring. And because of what we're doing inside of MAKEONCE, it's awesome. People are actually realizing that having recurring income and having your own online business isn't about luck or you're that special person. It's just about systems and structure and getting it set up and then taking action. So if this opportunity is so clear, why are 99% of people going to miss it? Pretty simple. It's because they're addicted to short-term dopamine. They're chasing viral hits instead of building systems. They chase a bunch of followers instead of building freedom. They're learning all these tools instead of mastering the strategy of an online business. The internet doesn't reward effort anymore. It rewards leverage. And leverage only belongs to those who know how to build it and who know how to focus on systems and the high payoff activities, the actual income earning activities, instead of just doing random things online that you heard from some video. Inside of MAKEONCE, we actually build those machines. We help you learn how to escape the time for money trap, and we teach you how to build a real recurring income in a real system that you can depend on using Skool, AI, and YouTube. You don't need a team. You don't need funding. You just need the right system, and we can help you get there faster, easier, and more effective. And if you're serious about that kind of freedom, just go down in the description and check us out. So now that you see the shift, or at least I hope you do, the real question is, how do you actually build these systems, and how do you do it step by step? Well, in this next video, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how I build a $10,000 per month recurring income with an automated system using Skool, YouTube, and AI, even if you're starting from complete zero. Because once you see this blueprint, you will never look at online business the same ever again. You'll never get swayed by these other things. So stop chasing trends, start building systems, and start shipping every day. I'll see you in this next video.